go to Sean from Los Angeles. He goes, hello. I'm following up on initial question, which you responded to in podcast 379. Oh, he even puts the time down. At 31 minutes, 26 seconds.
So if you want to go back and listen to 379, get a frame of reference.
Leave partially vested pension to grow or withdraw and convert to Roth. Sean, Los Angeles. First, I want to thank you for the podcast and featuring my question. I keep her calculations ready for use in my Google Sheet, Excel app, 72 rule, RMD rule, 25 multiplier rules. All right, there you go.
Okay.
I have a follow-up on my conundrum. Okay, perfect.
I like Joe's version better. A conundrum.
I like yours better.
Sounds very exciting.
It is very exciting. He's got troubles. You just got to force it out there.
I think a conundrum, that's trouble too.
I'm hooked on phonics, Al. Don't worry about it. I was told the wrong information by the first person I spoke with at the UCRP. There is no mandatory distribution at age 60. Rather, they are trying to allude to RMDs, which occur much later. I have a stable job, make $200,000 a year, still hope to retire in 15 to 20 years. Have $500,000 in the workplace 401k, 168 in the Roth. In 70K in savings, I've decided it's a no-brainer to keep it in the UCRP plan, even as separated employee. I can confirm it's accrued 6% monthly, not yearly. P.S. I'm not sure if that is confidential or can be shared to the public. Well, it's too late now. I mean, dude, you put that in the front of the email.
It's out there.
Like in the middle of it. And by the way, this is strictly confidential and don't talk about it on the radio. On the helpline, they openly also quote this number, which I confirmed on my statements. I have decided to keep it for both the interest accrual and the 0.001 chance I may return to UC to keep the service credits intact. I really appreciate how you all approach people's dilemmas. It's not an all-in-one approach, but rather a sensible approach based on individual cases.
Is there a question?
No, I guess not. We just
It's
spent
just a
all
comment.
that time.
Hey, we tell them that they should write in and give us their questions or comments or suggestions or requests or tell us stories. So he was following up because he knew that you would be fascinated to know what the real story was in his situation.
Yeah. Well, do you think there's something that you earn 6% a month?
No,
Me neither.
it's 6%.
It's something's missing in translation.
It's 6%, but it's probably accrued monthly. Right?
Well, he seems to think it's 6%.
It's 0.5% a month.
Right. But I think he thinks it's 6% per month.
That's a pretty good rate of return.
I'd say that's a Ponzi scheme.
Well, yeah, that's more. So, Sean, do this. Just take a look at your statement, right? And then look at the interest that accrued for the entire year and then divide it into the overall balance.
But I agree with you. It would be 0.5% a month. But I think he's trying to correct us. It's 6% a month, and it can't be.
Are you prepared for retirement? Schedule a free financial assessment with an experienced financial professional right online at purefinancial.com.